Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, puppy dogs, we have arrived at the old barn find car. Dad's putting front wheels on. I'm finna put the drive shaft back in it. We bled the front brakes. We don't have any rear brakes, but we don't need those where we're going. We're gonna find out if this transmission's any good. And then we're gonna take it and load it up on the old trailer and take it to the shop, because we're gonna swap rear ends out and need some bigger tools. Brew Bear, ain't that right? So y'all get ready. We finna find out what's gonna happen. All right, I'm ready.
Where you want it?
Just shifted anything.
That's all the way to the back.
Okay.
What now?
You can go back to park. There you go, guys. Whole cable's broke. There's a chance we got a transmission. Well, we're fitting to fire it up on jack stands and see what it does, just for fun. But it's got a new shifter cable. Wasn't gonna bore y'all with that. We're trying to get this figured out so we can get it loaded. But stay tuned. Well, it is time. Spilled what little gear oil was left in it, so I slapped the cover back on, because we're going to paint and use the other cover that's on that 308 gear rear end, because it's cooler looking and serves a purpose, but we don't know what it is yet. It's got a little rake to it. Maybe we'll be able to get it out of the garage and actually see it. But it's got wheels and tires on it. And the fire extinguisher's right here, Dad, just in case. Take my roll of paper towels off.
You're gonna need your milk crate.
A milk crate, yeah. We'll get the milk crate here in just a second. There's our gas tank. The car's really low in the front, so couldn't put the 2-gallon can under the car and strap it up like we wanted to, but there's my dash. What you think?
I like it.
We're gonna give it a shot?
Mm-hmm.
Raven, how you feel about this? No comment. All right. Okay, here's where we are. Got our dash set up. Got our good old milk crate seat. Dad's got the brakes ready over there. We're gonna see what it does. Should be interesting. Guess we'll fire it up. You ready?
Yeah.
try.
Let me shut this off.
Oh yeah, you can. Well, boys and girls, hooked old tiger tail on Hannah's Wolverine 1000 to the old goat with the floor jack under the rear end and backed it up to the edge. Dropped the floor jack, set the tires on the ground, snatched it out the garage. And it's like something freed up in the trans because it's in neutral now and it actually rolled on its own. So I guess we're going to try again, see what it does. But try to get this thing loaded up. You ready?
That's ready.
All right, take two. See if we got reverse again. See if it just rolls. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe we got something. Ready?
Ready.
We have a turbo 400 super can. Maybe it'll roll backwards now though without having to fight it. What do you think?
We'll try it in a minute.
Yeah, let me just give it an old Fred Flintstone college try. What do you think? See what it does. Well, it rolls backwards now. We've accomplished something.
It wouldn't do that before.
It sounds good. Likes the gas. That was a third of a pickle jar that time. It's gonna cost $1,000 to drive it to the No Names National. Woo! Alright, see what we can do to load this thing up. You ready? If it's gonna be downhill once you clear on them back tires. Ready? Boys and girls, we arrived in one piece. Still have our back glass. But it is 9 o'clock. It's Friday night. I'm hungry. So we gonna call it a night. Finna take the old slow and go home.